it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing my first YSL unboxing. I've been wanting this bag for a while now, so let me go ahead and show you the unboxing, and then we'll get back into talking about the bag. The moment we all been waiting for, maybe me more than y'all, but as you can see, I got a gift wrap. Let's see what the note says. It's from Saks Fifth Avenue. Happy birthday, Amia Renee. Saint Laurent, formerly known as Saint Laurent. Oh, they got this thing packed. It's real good. Oh my gosh. Ooh, baby. I am in freaking love. It's nothing like the smell of leather. Oh my gosh, isn't she beautiful? Isn't she just freaking beautiful? So this bag is my birthday gift. My birthday is in June. Hey, shout out to the Gemini. Now it's September. I'm not an impulsive buyer, especially when it comes to luxury items or items that cost a pretty, a nice chunk of coin. I work a regular 9 to 5. That's where I get my money from. So when I do decide to purchase luxury, I take my time and make sure I do enough research and make sure this is the item that I want. So where I live, we don't have a YSL freestanding store. We have a Nordstrom's, and that Nordstrom doesn't carry a lot of designer bags. They carry a couple. So if you saw my vlog a couple months ago, I did go to Nordstrom's to see if I could find this particular bag. They only had one YSL bag, and it wasn't this style. It was another style, another color. So I didn't want that. I only saw this bag online. I never saw it in person. So eventually I was going to travel like 45 minutes to an hour away from where I live at to go to a YSL freestanding store to see if I like the bag in person or not, because again, I did not want to purchase a bag that I did not see in person. I wanted to see it in person, see if I like it, feel it, touch it, make sure it's what I really wanted before I put down that big old chunk of change on this bag. So fast forward to a week or two ago, my girlfriend Chris, hey girl, we went to a wedding. And let me tell you, this is funny. This is how I knew this bag was for me. So before we went to the wedding, like that week or two before, I was online. I had the same bag in my cart at the YSL store online, Saks Fifth, and Nordstrom's. I had it in the cart in each store, and every day I would go back and look at it, look up videos on YouTube, seeing how people styled it, see if they liked it, see what their reviews were pretty much on the bag. And I kept going back every other day like, I'm about to buy it now. No, I'm not going to buy it. I'm going to buy it. I'm not going to buy it. Something was telling me I just cannot see myself spending that type of money on a bag that I physically never seen before. So anyway, fast forward to the wedding we went to 2 weeks ago. Why? My girlfriend Chris get out the car. She had my bag. I said, oh my gosh, this is my first time seeing the bag in person. We were laughing about it, and I showed her. I had it screenshot on my phone of the bag because I was like, I don't know. I just wanted to look at it every day, think about it, and see if I wanted to really purchase it. That's just how I am when I'm buying high-end pieces or luxury pieces or pieces that just cost a coin to me, a couple coins. I want to make sure this is the right decision that I want to make. Anyway, so she stepped out the car with my bag. I said, oh, I'm getting that bag. I'm getting it. So I looked at it, I felt it, touched it. Yeah, I'm going to get that bag. So I grabbed it last week. Sorry if I'm rambling a little bit, y'all, but I just want to tell y'all the whole little story. So I purchased the bag from Saks Fifth Avenue, as you saw. I'll put the price of the bag right here. I forgot. I know it was $2,300 something, but with taxes, of course, it was more. So yeah, I'll look up my receipt and see how much it costs. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the bag. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So I love the way leather smells. It's just something about leather. It just gets me excited. Some people like the way fresh cut grass smells. It's leather for me. Whew, it just smelled like luxury. And I don't have any YSL bags. This is my first YSL bag, like I said. Also, this is my first bag with an actual chain. I did purchase a bag like last year or so ago from a consignment shop, luxury bag, and I felt funny about it. I don't know why. I just felt like, is this really genuine? This is a real bag. So I sold it back to that shop. And I was like, yeah, no, I'm not doing it again. Nothing against the people who do buy pre-loved bags. I wish I had a shop here where I live at that I really trust, or I just felt funny. I felt like if I'm spending a couple dollars on a bag, I'm going to make sure it's real. So that's that story. Anyway, so this is so freaking pretty. I love gold everything. So I got gold hardware. And what I love about this leather, it's a textured leather. I am very, very clumsy. I try to do better with my bags and phones and everything, but I'm so freaking clumsy. I will drop anything. That's why I said I could not be a waitress, because I would have done dropped all the dishes and had to pay for everything. But with this leather, I don't feel like I have to be super careful. It's not a smooth leather, so I don't have to worry about me scratching or anything. I'm still going to take care of it, of course, don't get me wrong, but I don't have to worry about treating it like a baby, and I feel comfortable wearing it. I don't buy luxury items to sit in the closet or wear once or twice a year. No, baby, you're going to Target, you're going to the market, you're going to wherever I'm going, you're going with me. You cost too much money just to be sitting up in the closet. We're not doing that. So when I buy items, I like to buy them and wear them. I want it to be wearable. I want to get my money's worth, pretty much. That's what I'm saying. I'm getting my coins worth, so you going everywhere I go, okay? So I don't feel like this bag would get messed up really quickly. So before we get in the inside, they do have a flap in the back where you could probably slide your cell phone, put a couple dollars, whatever you need to. Like I said, I did watch a lot of videos about this bag. A lot of the girls say don't open it from right here because they're scared they're going to bend the flap, so open it from the side. So it has a snap button right here and right here. And then on the inside, it still has the paper. I haven't worn it yet. On the inside, it's nice and spacious. Nice enough amount of room. Nice. And it does have one little flap opener right here. You can slide something in. Let me see what's in here. It's like a tag and a little envelope. Just basically the authenticity paperwork in here. Yeah, Saint Laurent, made in Paris, and all of those papers that came inside. But let's get into how beautiful this freaking bag is. So I'm a tall girl. I'm 5'8", and this bag hits me around my hip area. But you could carry it this way with 2 straps. And this is the reason why I like this bag. I like that these gold straps have leather parts on the top, so the chains won't dig into your skin. I like that. And the only thing that I wish this bag had was, I don't know if it's called like little feet, the little parts right here. So when you sit the bag down, it won't necessarily be sitting straight on the leather. So I will carry the bag like this. Shoulder right here. Or you could carry it long ways. You would just let go of one of the straps. So I'm going to let go of the front strap. And I'm going to try to get a full body shot for you guys. But it comes all the way down to my hip area. Oh my God. It's so freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is going to be my favorite. If you saw my other luxury bag videos, you see I say that all the time. This is going to be my favorite bag. This is my favorite bag. But it truly is. I do like every last bag that I purchased. Like I said, I'm a regular girl that work a regular 9 to 5, so my coins don't come by easily. So when I do purchase luxury items, I take my time, do my research, and then I'll get it. I think I covered everything. I'm trying to see if I have anything else to say about this beautiful, beautiful bag. Oh, it smells so good, and I love this bag. I'm sorry. Not literally, because I don't love materialistic things, so just joking when I say I love it. I'm just happy with this purchase. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.